And as part of the Remount Veterinary Corps, raptors and dogs are also a star attraction on this Republic Day parade. The dog squad includes 5 indigenous species, including the Rampur hound. Vishal Baristo finds out more.
4 raptors and 22 dogs, and that includes Indian breeds as well. They are part of the contingent parade. The RVC is participating for the very first time. I have with me Lieutenant Colonel Dheeraj Mehta. Let's talk to him and find out. Colonel Mehta, you have also introduced Indian breeds. So tell us about them.
Yeah, I would like to say that as dog contingents, RVC has been participating previously also as pure dog contingent. This time the contingent comprises of not just the conventional breeds of dogs. We have the indigenous breeds of dogs. Then we have raptors with us. We have the Zanskar ponies with us, and also the Bactrian camels. So that is what makes it a larger contingent this time, with variety which is required for the various roles that are expected out of RVC by the organization.
Okay. So when we talk about the indigenous breeds, what all are they?
We have 5 different indigenous breeds, which includes the Rampur hounds, the Mudhol hounds, Rajapalyams, Chippi Parai, and Kombai.
Apart from dogs, we also have raptors, and I have with me Captain
Harshita.
Captain Harshita, what kind of excitement is there? You being a lady officer, you've trained them, you've been with them. So how challenging was it?
It's truly a matter of pride and honor for me to be a part of RVC contingent in Republic Day Parade 2026, and I'm also pleased to inform that I'm amongst the first batch of women officers in RVC, so that adds to the pride that we are having with our contingent, and it has been a great experience so far, and I strongly believe that leadership and officers don't have a gender, so that is what I have been experiencing as well.
What was more challenging, training the raptors or the dogs?
No, I think once you understand the neuroscience behind training an animal, then they are all equally highly trainable animals. But you have to understand the neuroscience of the training.
So there you hear from the RVC, and these dogs, they are all trained. They have their specialized duties, and very soon they would be deployed for different operations. With cameraman Vish Bandhu in Delhi, this is Vishal Baristo for DD India.